Is it possible to flip PCs with no money at all? And how long will it take to get enough money to buy a car? Well, let's find out. Okay, we're back. These are the results. So the optiplex 790, which I made the video about on its own, just building it, was the free computer, 2nd Gen i5, 8 gigabytes memory, the Quadro K600 GPU. I posted it online for $75 with an SSD, and nobody went for it. In fact, funny story, in one of the groups that I'm in locally, 2 people actually were flaming me for this, saying that this could play games, and they said it was impossible. I even posted a video of the computer playing Fortnite, and they said that Fortnite is not playable unless it's at least 120 FPS, which is not true. But they were both like tag teaming, just they wouldn't leave it alone. So I said, okay, what would you sell it for? And they said nothing. They would throw it in the trash because it's garbage. So I had to delete the ad because they were just killing me. I couldn't even respond anymore. So what I did was I took out the SSD and I lowered the price to $60. So it just has a standard hard drive, and it sold. So once again, all of the parts in this computer were free. He already paid for it. He's going to pick it up tomorrow. And it works. I mean, it's not great. Fortnite's, 60 FPS. It's not ideal at all, but it does work. And I was actually able to play. But ideally, you would play older games on this, of course, like Rocket League or something not Fortnite. So we're up $60 now. And so this is what we're going to do, is we're going to use this guy. So this thing looks terrible. The case is like thrashed. So this is basically an example. I bought 4 of these, and basically what you get is an old tower, some old motherboard, and a power supply for 25 bucks. So that's what this is. And I have a few of these, so it is available, it is possible. I see these all the time online. And what we're going to do is take the $60, so we're going to apply $25 to this, because that's how much this costs or would cost. It has a 2nd Gen i7, 8 gigabytes of memory, but it has, I believe, a 460 watt power supply, which is great. And it has the PCI connector. So that's 25. And then I have this, which someone gave me for free. And I value this at $25. So you could buy this for $25 all day long on eBay locally. It's kind of not that good, being a 650. It's 2 gigabyte. What really should go in here is like a 960, considering the power supply can handle it, but this is what I have. So I'm basically buying stuff for myself right now until we can get over $100, and then I'll start buying other systems and better cases and stuff like that. But it's really hard to start from zero. I tried to explain that. You really need to start with $100 or $150 if you're going to start flipping. But I wanted to show you guys an example of how it would be if you had absolutely no money whatsoever. You can still flip PCs. You don't need money. You don't need a car. I mean, you could use the internet at the library if you had to. It's just, there's no excuse to why you can't do this. So here's the card. It's actually brand new. So that's going to go in here. If I find a better card for $25, I'll put it in instead. But this is just what I have for right now. A 750 or a 1050 Ti would be nice too, but this is what we got. So, but this will not be advertised really as a Fortnite computer. I think I'm going to try to advertise it as a Minecraft, Rocket League, Roblox type of PC. And then, so that's $25. We have $10 left, and that's going to be for the SSD. So the SSD will go down here, 120 gigabyte, and that's it. 60. I think I can get 100 for this, because even though it's not that much better than the Dell, it does have the power supply. It does have a better graphics card. It does have a better layout. I mean, you could potentially upgrade this. My only problem is the case is so trash. I might need to find a better case, but it would have to be free. So, I mean, my choices are limited. So yeah, we'll have 60 in this, sell this for 100. We'll have the results in the next episode. And then we'll take that 100 and probably buy, I'll probably look for like a Dell XPS next time, because those sell really well with a better GPU. And then we'll just start going up from there. I think once we get up to $150, $200, then we can start buying a new case and better motherboards and stuff like that. But that's where we are. And then, so I'm going to show you also in each episode an example of cars you can get for $1,000 or $1,500 at the end of the episode, just because I want you to see what it's like. And also, I'm announcing now my new channel is coming out. It will be a car channel. I've actually had that channel for a long time. If you look at older videos from this channel about 2 years ago, they were all car videos, because I'm actually a car guy. I'm not a computer guy, obviously. And so I decided to stop posting car videos on this channel and just make a different car channel. And on the car channel, it's going to show you how to buy and sell cars, how to work on your car, and how to get good deals from dealerships, and little tips and tricks that will help you with your cars. I won't post a link yet until I put some videos, more videos on there. There's only some old ones right now. But yeah, that's what the channel is about. Car stuff only, no computer stuff. So let's take a quick look online and see what kind of cars we could get for $1,000 to $1,500, and then we'll get out of here. So first we have the almighty Ford Focus. You'll see these a lot for sale, $1,500. Problem with the Ford Focus is they are one of the most abused cars you will ever see, and I would just stay away from them. They're not bad cars, they just have bad owners. And unless you know how to work on cars, I would just stay away from the Ford Focus, unless the mileage is so low and the price is so cheap that you just can't resist. But they tend to just die unexpectedly. Here's a 94 Honda Accord. You'll see a lot of these for sale for $1,000. A lot of times because they can't pass smog, or there's something wrong with it, the AC doesn't work, and they're so old that people just don't want to work on them anymore. The problem is usually the body's beat up, the interior is thrashed, so if you can find a clean one, yeah, but or if you have a friend that's into Hondas, they can help you work on it. But generally speaking, now a 94 Honda Accord, while it's a really great car, and I've had several, it's just a little bit too old for especially a younger person now to, have to be able to work on it all the time. Unless you want to learn how to work on cars, then that's the perfect thing. And here's one. This one's really risky. This is a 2011 Ford Fiesta. 160,000 miles. The guy said he just bought it from the auction. He buys auction cars and he flips them. So this could go really good or really bad. He probably paid about $1,000 for it. And then there's a buyer's fee of about $200. So, or actually, he probably spent $850 on it, plus the buyer's fee. And since he does this all the time, he probably checked it out a little bit. It appears to be in good condition, but it was from a police impound, and so you kind of have to wonder why it was impounded. Maybe the person had a suspended license or something like that. You don't know. You don't get the whole story, and that's the problem. That's why I like to buy cars from the owners. I don't like to buy from auctions. I want to be able to meet the owner and get to know them and the story about the car and the work that they've done on it. And you can get a lot of good cars that way. That's basically how I didn't get the best deals, but I did get the most reliable deals from private owners. Anyway, let's list this new system for sale, see if we can sell it quickly. We'll go buy some more computer parts to build the third one in the series, and we'll work our way up. All right, we'll see you soon.